afternoon, YouTube land. This is Nick with Loaded Down Junk Removal. We're headed to an afternoon job. It is a minimum pickup, basically. It's only two things. It is a fireproof file cabinet and a refrigerator. But the fireproof file cabinet is supposedly 500 pounds. So we shall see when we get there exactly how much it weighs and how we can manipulate it into the trailer. All right, I will let you see what we got when we arrive on site. Talk to y'all shortly. Alrighty, this is what we got. These are fireproof cabinets. They took out the drawers for it, and the cabinet itself is like 500 pounds. We'll also be getting this refrigerator right here. All right, and here is the cabinet, file cabinet. So as you can see, it's heavy duty. It's like really heavy. You can't just move it. So, but put it on the dolly, get laid back, get it close, and we will put it right on in the back of the trailer. And here is the refrigerator. And I will show y'all once we get everything loaded up. Everything's out of here?
Everything's out.
Do you want these little things?
No.
Okay. Towards me. There you go. A little bit more. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep going. I got it. I actually, like, literally look.
Okay.
Just the back was the heavy part, so.
Okay. Want to put the lip on? Up where you are?
Alright, y'all stay clear. I'm gonna let this. Set this here for a second. All right, it is in there. As you see, we didn't get the dang whole video, but little man here had to help us out. We actually connected one end here around that bottom, went to here, and ratchet strapped it up. Well, we're gonna call that a wrap. And let me go back up in here, show y'all where we came from. Well, first of all, we had the refrigerator here. It's gone. Grab my other strap. Then we had the fireproof file cabinet there, which we eased out slowly with the dolly. Carried it backwards nice and slow. As you see, he's buttoning up. And there it rests. All right, next place, landfill for that. All right, y'all. If y'all like this content, please like and subscribe. This is Loaded Down Junk Removal out of Jacksonville, Florida. Y'all have a great one.